Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to issue a refund on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to access the Shopify admin. So log into your Shopify account and access the Shopify admin panel. Now, navigate to the Orders section. So from the Shopify admin dashboard, click on Orders in the left-hand sidebar to view the list of orders. Now select the order. So locate the order for which you want to issue a refund and click on it to open the order details. Now initiate a refund. In the order details page, scroll down to the payment section and click on the refund button. Now specify the refund details. So in the refund form, enter the amount you wish to refund to the customer. You can issue a full or partial refund depending on your specific case. If applicable, you can also add a reason or note regarding the refund. Now choose the refund method. So Shopify provides various refund methods depending on the original payment method used by the customer. Select the appropriate refund method, such as refunding to the original payment source or providing store credit. Process the refund. Once you have entered the refund details, click on the Refund or Finish button to process the refund. Shopify will automatically generate a refund transaction and adjust the order status accordingly. Now communicate with the customer. After issuing the refund, it is a good practice to communicate with the customer to inform them about the refund status and provide any necessary details. Now Shopify will handle the refund process based on the payment method used by the customer. The customer will typically receive the refunded amount back to their original payment source or as store credit, depending on the refund method chosen. The exact step and options for issuing refunds may vary slightly depending on the theme and setup of your Shopify store. If you encounter any difficulties or need further assistance, refer to the Shopify's documentation or reach out to their customer support for more specific guidance related to your store's configuration. And that is how you issue a refund on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.